guys, it's Yasi for those of you who don't know, and I'm gonna show you guys how I made these quick, easy, and adorable Winnie the Pooh honey pots for my baby shower. Didn't really need that much supplies. As you can see, I just got the little pots from Amazon and they're plastic, so they're very lightweight. Then I had some acrylic paint. I just used white and brown because the brown paint that I had, it was just a little bit too dark for my liking. I also used like a little paint distributor and paint brushes. And yeah, so anyway, you do not have to paint the pots, but I decided to paint the pots because I didn't like that reddish brown color. I wanted a more cool tone looking brown. That was just way too warm for me. So I created my own mixture with the paint and created this lighter brown color with white and my dark brown paint. Then I went ahead and just started painting the pots. The paint that I used was kind of cheap, to be honest. I didn't know it was cheap until today, to be honest. But yeah, it was a little cheap, so I did have to paint all of the pots about 3 times. So like I did 1 coat, let it dry, 2 coats, let it dry, then 3 and let it dry, and 3 times was a charm basically. But yeah, then I went ahead and got my yellow paint and I created like this honey mustard type color, and I just went ahead and put some drizzles on the pots. I did not outline this before I did it. I just winged it and kind of just guessed where I would want the drizzle to go, and it came out very nicely. And then I was going to paint on the words honey, but my mom suggested that I just use a Sharpie because that should be easier. So I ended up using a Sharpie, and I definitely recommend this. I felt like I had way more control and I feel like it went faster. I'm not 100% sure because I did not do the paint method, so I can't really compare it, but I would imagine it would go faster. But yeah, if you feel like the Sharpie is a little too splotchy for your liking, you can always go ahead and use a paint marker. That's what I was supposed to use, but I forgot to bring them to my mom's house when I had drew the honey on the pots. So yeah, then I went back and I added these cute little beads that I got from AliExpress, and I just used some E6000 glue and I glued them onto the little honey drizzle on the pots. And I did end up painting the beads again. Like I just repainted them the way they already were, but just to make them more bold, less dingy looking. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did for these pots. Like I said, it was so easy and it was kind of fast. The only bad part was painting them over and over again because my paint was cheap. Make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can see how I use these at my baby shower, and y'all can see my whole baby shower vlog because it was so beautiful. But see you on my next post. Bye.